Next up, from the same studio that just brought you a junior grand champion, it's Sierra Performing Arts Center from Visalia, California, under the direction and choreography of Susan Palace. Sounds of Silence.
I've come to talk to you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of earth's rebound. I turned my collar to the cold and down, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sun.